This also ties into equal and opposite reactions. Ooh, hold on, wait a minute. Sympathetic reactions, like when you hit a tuning fork and you get sympathetic resonance from other tuning forks that are tuned to these same exact frequency. Only this time, blow air straight, have wind coming from your mouth that's blowing in that direction, but you also have air coming from all the other directions coming in to fill that up over and over and over and over and over again. You feel what I'm saying? You feel what I'm saying? That's also why having a high velocity jet stream can create so many things for you. Not only do you have precision across a small surface area, especially useful for cutting or removing stains, you also have the added benefit of the same exact amount of energy having all that excess air around it trying to fill it up. And what's funny is it's the same strength, but it's just spread out depending on how concentrated that energy beam is. The more mass or more speed that you have that mass moving, stronger the wind on all the sides that are coming to fill in that space that's being created when that high velocity jet stream is being outputted. So the literal difference that makes or breaks whether or not you're able to create the effect that you want could be that difference between 2 milliliters of water and 3, or 1,157 pounds of force versus 1,158 pounds of force. A small difference is there. Allows for a whole lot of things to really come into play. Most specifically that air jet stream. Well, I urge you all, prove me wrong. Rather, comment below certain things that I haven't taken into consideration. Let's not discuss about thermodynamics, whole thermodynamic aspect of it, as well as the overall sympathetic effect of it all. Basically having all that air come in from the sides, it'll be significantly weaker or significantly not as strong because it's spread out. Hence why we don't really feel it like that, or we really see anything like that. Just look at a stream and be like, oh, all the energy is just coming straight and hitting that. But that's only one side of the coin. Once you understand vacuum state, you also understand that there are so many physics at play that could really add efficiency to your system or be the number one cause as to why it doesn't work. That's why this theory is so powerful. No matter what equation I may come up with in the future, no matter if these two are tied to one another, which they are, this is a real phenomena that you can test, that has grounds, that can affect so many different things. And it's up to scientists like you and me to really discover it all. I call myself an explorer though. I have scientific tendencies as well as engineering tendencies, more engineering than scientific. Well, it's a mix of both. At the same time, I love just exploring something new. So, yay! And it's a way, yes, I should be sad, adios.